Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Special Forces knife is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools a survivalist, outdoorsman, or even a tactical enthusiast could own, offering unparalleled reliability and functionality in a wide range of demanding situations, from intricate bushcraft tasks to emergency self-defense scenarios, making it a critical piece of gear that could mean the difference between success and failure when you're far from civilization. Number 5. CRKT M16-14 SFG Folding Knife. Introducing the CRKT M16-14 SFG Folding Knife, a reliable tool designed for your everyday needs. Experience its robust construction and thoughtful design. This knife features an automated liner safety, providing an extra layer of security for dependable use. You can trust it to stay securely locked when you need it most. Equipped with VEF serrations, it offers exceptional cutting power, making tasks like slicing through rope and straps effortless. Experience a truly sharp edge. The G10 handle ensures an exceptional grip, even in challenging conditions. Its textured surface provides confidence and control in your hand. This knife is a product of Kit Carson's renowned design expertise, originating from Vine Grove, Kentucky. It embodies a legacy of quality craftsmanship. We stand behind our product with a limited lifetime warranty, covering any defects in materials or workmanship. Please visit our company site for full details. What we like. This knife offers an automated liner safety for enhanced security. Its VEF serrations provide superior cutting power for tough materials. If you need a reliable and secure blade with an exceptional grip for demanding tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The Special Forces knife is a robust and reliable tool, perfect for tactical operations. Its serrated edge is incredibly sharp and effective for cutting through various materials. The ergonomic grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, even in challenging conditions. Number 4. 8-in-1 EDC Carabiner Multitool. Introducing the 8-in-1 EDC Carabiner Multitool, designed for all your outdoor adventures and everyday needs. It's the perfect blend of functionality and portability. This versatile tool combines a pocket knife, serrated knife, rope cutter, screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, and ruler. Everything you need, all in one compact package. Featuring a strong locking carabiner with a secure twist lock system, it ensures safety and reliability for any climbing or camping activity. It's an essential addition to your gear. Easily attach this large carabiner clip to your keychain, belt loops, or gear. It's perfect for hiking, camping, hunting, or simply keeping handy for daily tasks. Designed for convenience, its compact size and one-handed operation make it incredibly versatile. It's ready for any adventure or daily challenge you face. Looking for a practical gift? This sleek multi-tool carabiner is an ideal choice for men and women, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. What we like. This carabiner multi-tool combines multiple functions into one compact package. It features a strong locking carabiner for safety and is designed for portability. If you're looking for an all-in-one EDC solution for camping, climbing, or everyday carry, this versatile tool is an excellent choice. What people say. The Special Forces knife is a robust and reliable tool, perfect for tactical operations. Its full-tang construction ensures durability, and the G10 handle provides a secure grip even in wet conditions. The blade is made of high-carbon stainless steel, holding an edge exceptionally well. I was impressed by the sheath system. It's versatile and allows for multiple carry options, including belt, maul, and drop leg configurations. The retention is secure, preventing accidental drops during strenuous activity. The knife's balance is excellent, making it feel like an extension of your hand. The weight is substantial enough for chopping tasks but not so heavy that it becomes cumbersome for finer work. The serrated portion of the blade is aggressive and effective for cutting through tough materials. Number 3. CRKT M16-10 KSF Special Forces EDC Folding Knife. Introducing the CRKT M16-10 KSF, a Special Forces everyday carry folding knife. It's designed for reliability and performance in any situation. Its robust frame lock ensures the blade stays securely in place, offering brute strength when you need it most. This design provides confidence during demanding tasks. Experience exceptional cutting power with its triple-point serrations. They slice through fibrous materials with remarkable ease, making quick work of any cutting job. The black coating not only gives it a tactical look but also significantly improves its corrosion resistance. This ensures it stands up to the elements. This exceptional tool was designed by the renowned Kit Carson. His expertise is evident in every aspect of its construction and functionality. Featuring a dual hilt for enhanced protection and a reversible pocket clip for convenient carry, it's ready for your everyday adventures. The stainless steel handle offers a durable grip. Rest assured with a limited lifetime warranty that covers defects in materials or workmanship. Please refer to the company website for full details. What we like. This EDC folding knife boasts brute strength with its frame lock system. The triple-point serrations cut through fibrous materials with ease. If you prioritize a robust lock and powerful cutting ability for everyday carry, this knife is designed for you. What people say. The Special Forces knife is a robust and reliable tool, perfect for tactical situations. Its full-tang construction ensures durability and strength, making it suitable for heavy-duty use. The ergonomic grip provides a secure and comfortable hold, even in wet conditions. Number 2. CRKT M16-14 DSFG Folding Knife. Introducing the CRKT M16-14 DSFG Folding Knife, a reliable tool designed for everyday carry. Experience its robust construction and thoughtful features. It features an automated liner safety, providing an extra layer of security to keep the blade firmly in place when you need it most. The titanium nitride finish not only looks great but also enhances its resistance to corrosion, ensuring longevity. Equipped with VEF serrations, this knife offers superior cutting power, making quick work of rope and straps. This exceptional knife was designed by the renowned Kit Carson, a testament to its quality and thoughtful engineering. Rest assured with a limited lifetime warranty that covers any defects in materials or workmanship. Please refer to our company site for full details. What we like. This knife features automated liner safety for secure operation. Its titanium nitride finish enhances corrosion resistance, and the VEF serrations offer superior cutting power. If you need a durable knife that resists corrosion and cuts through materials effortlessly, this is a great option. What people say. The knife is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. It features a full-tang construction, which provides excellent strength and balance for heavy-duty tasks. The ergonomic handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. Number 1. CRKT M21-14 SF Folding Knife. Introducing the CRKT M21-14 SF, a folding knife designed for reliability. It offers a secure grip and exceptional cutting ability for various tasks. Experience enhanced safety with its automated liner safety, providing an extra layer of lock security. You can trust it to stay firmly in place. Featuring triple-point serrations, this tool effortlessly slices through fibrous materials. Tackle tough cutting jobs with ease. The aluminum handle offers a perfect balance of strength and minimal weight. It's comfortable to carry and built to last. Proudly designed by Kit Carson in Vine Grove, Kentucky. This knife embodies his commitment to quality craftsmanship. Whether at home, in the garage, or at the shop, this knife is built tough for versatile use. It's the reliable companion you need. What we like. This knife provides automated liner safety for secure use. It features triple-point serrations for efficient cutting and a strong yet lightweight aluminum handle. If you are looking for a versatile knife that is both strong and light, suitable for home, garage, or shop use, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The Special Forces knife features a full-tang construction for maximum strength and durability. Its serrated edge is incredibly effective for cutting through tough materials like rope and webbing. The non-slip grip ensures a secure hold even in wet or slippery conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.